Hello guys, welcome back to Learning SolidWorks channel. In this episode we will design this helical spring, but before that don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials. Let's begin. Select File, New, Part, select one plane, Sketch, take circle, Smart Dimension for 100 millimeters. Press Enter. Now go to Insert, Curve, Helix Spiral, Pitch 15 millimeters, revolutions 10, and start angle 90 degrees. Press OK. Now select one plane perpendicular, right plane, sketch, normal to, select circle, select, take this point, OK. Smart dimension for 10 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to Exit. Go to Features, Swept Boss Base. Here is Sketch 2. And now select this sketch. OK. Press OK. Select this line and hide. Okay, that's it. See you next time.